Good morning, I'm Amy Lynn. Welcome to another edition of Business Leaders Spotlight. Today we're featuring Dr. Lee Engel, whose book, My Dirty Little Secret, How I Went from Sickness to Health in 21 Days, debuted at #1 on the Amazon bestseller list. First, we've got an award presentation by T.C. Bradley.
Hey, Miss Amy Lynn, good morning.
Good morning.
Glad to be back in studio with you this morning.
I know it is really great to have you back, and it's great to have the doctor back as well. And congratulations on your #1 bestseller.
Thank you very much.
Well, Dr. Lee, it's my honor and privilege to present you your #1 bestseller award for your book, debuting #1 on the Amazon bestseller list. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So, Dr. Lee, can we know what is your dirty little secret?
So, Amy, about 15 years ago, I found myself really physically and mentally broken. I had terrible spinal pain, headaches, digestive issues, sciatica, both hands were numb. I was 30 years old and I felt horrible. I had found myself, I'd always been very motivated, and now I found myself barely working just enough to survive and get by. I developed really bad anxiety, depression, obsessive compulsive disorder that had almost taken over my life.
It just compounds, right? Once
Absolutely.
something happens and it just gets worse and worse and worse. So inside your book, I'm guessing you explain how you took yourself from that state to a state of well-being.
Yeah, I had tried physical therapy, I had tried injections, I had tried medications, I had tried all kinds of therapies. Everything else failed me, and I had morbidly joked that by the time I was 50, I'd be in a wheelchair, a mental hospital, or maybe both, because it did compound and it just kept going down and down.
So what did you do?
So my dirty little secret, you asked me if I was going to give it away, and actually I will. I think you should still read the book. I found upper cervical chiropractic. I found a man who adjusted the top bone in my neck a few times, and as I say in the book, in 120 days, my life absolutely turned around. Here I am 15 years later. I've got a successful practice. I'm almost 50, 4 years away. Successful practice, a great family. 99 days out of 100, I wake up feeling amazing.
So how do we get a hold of your book?
So if you go to my website, Upper Cervical Fort Myers spelled out.com, you go right on there. There'll be a link to go buy the book. And if you'd like, you can put your email in and we'll send you the first chapter for free.
Fantastic. Now, is that the same way they get a hold of you if they want to schedule an appointment?
Yes, they can go to the website and request an appointment. They can give us a call, 239-243-8810, and we'll get them scheduled for a free consultation and see if I can help them.
Fantastic. Well, TC, Dr. Lee, thank you both so much for coming on this morning, and congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
Now,
Thank you.
If you want to find out more about how to get Dr. Lee's book or schedule an appointment, just hop onto our website, which is fox4morningblend.com.